In a corner of a world no one knew where, there was a small and colorful house that flew in the air with many balloons. Every morning, with the sunrise, this house would lift off the ground and ascend into the sky with its colorful balloons. The owner of the house was a kind old man named Paul, who loved adventure. Every day, he would look out from his house's window at new landscapes and travel to unknown places with his balloons. No one knew how Paul had found so many balloons or how he managed to make his house fly. But everyone admired him for his courage and adventurous spirit. One day, while flying above the clouds, Paul reached a strange and beautiful island. He decided to land there and set his house on the ground for a while. The island's people were astonished to see Paul's flying house and asked him to share the Paul agreed with a smile, and every night under the starlight, he told his amazing stories to the islanders. He taught them how to follow their dreams and not to fear anything. When Paul decided to continue his journeys, the island's people bid him farewell with tearful eyes and hearts full of hope. The balloons lifted the house into the sky again, and Paul flew towards new horizons, knowing that there would always be a place where friends awaited his return.